How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. iPhone 7 Plus runs the iOS 15. Very excited about this update. This is just quick video just to let you know, guys, about this cool update. So the size of the update was about 2.5 gigabytes, as you can see, and brings very new, cool, interesting features. Brings some interesting features like FaceTime, so you can blur your background, you can send links. Also, for the first time, I think Android users can join the FaceTime on an Android phone. Very interesting. Also, we have new widgets. Also, we have interesting new updates about the weather app. This is one of my favorite apps. I believe due to the update, when you change the location, it shows animation. What is the weather like? As you can see, New York is cloudy. Maybe it's gonna rain. I don't know. But it's interesting update in my opinion. And this is a quick video just to let you know about this update. Let me know in the comments down below if you still have this iPhone 7 Plus from 2016. Let me know what you think about this cool sticker. I love it. But yeah, I'm excited about the iOS 15 because brings very new cool features, and iPhone 7 Plus with along the iPhone 8. I already dropped the video about the iPhone 6s and SE, so let me know in the comments down below if you want to see any battles, any speed tests. But yeah, excited. Are you excited? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, if you like this type of iPhone related iOS updates news, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.